Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel, Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox a kit from the company that I longed for to try, Russian company MOSFA. If you are following my channel and if you watched my video, computer-generated kit versus designer-generated kit, you saw the image of the hedgehog. It was a kit from that company, MOSFA. It is famous for really very detailed results and for a team of designers that meticulously work on the pattern. And the rendering turns out to be extremely detailed, even in very small sizes. I diamond painted a picture I diamond painted their kit before. It was one of my first ones. I had some issues with it, but the final result was very impressive. So I was trying to purchase this kit, not this kit, but any kit from this company for a very long time, and I couldn't find anything in the United States, only in Russia, but it's way too expensive to get it from Russia, and now with the war. So in any case, I found one on eBay, so we are going to open it and see how it looks. So the kit comes in this very box. There is the name of the company, MOSFA, or Diamond Painting. The name of the company is MOSFA, Diamond Painting. This is the original image on the preview, 30 by 40 centimeters. I do not like diamond painting animals or people, and it was not the design that I liked very much, and that was the reason why I bought it. The reason why I purchased this kit was to give this company the second chance. I had some problems when diamond painting it, like there were a lot of damaged drills, and I think they messed up the colors, but the final image turned out to be really very beautiful. And I diamond painted with square drills, and as far as I remember, there was no gapping issue whatsoever, and there were no popping up drills. But since it was my first big diamond painting, I really didn't pay attention to those things. So I want to try it again, and with my experience, already decide whether it's really worth purchasing it and if this company is really worth the hype. But again, I saw a lot of post reviews on their completed images, and they look just fantastic. So let's open and see how it looks inside. Okay, this is the rendering. Actually, MOSFA is famous for non-color related rendering, and it is kind of similar to Diamond Dots. Do you remember when I opened this very kit, it looked like a mess, and I was 100% sure that it would turn out pixelated. And this one, the rendering was pretty detailed on the pattern before diamond painting it, and look, that was a non-color related super pixelated pattern, but the final result turned out fantastic. This one, on the contrary, really very detailed while unboxing, but turned out super blurry and pixelated. So MOSFET's canvases are this way. Do not let this non-color related pixelated rendering throw you off. That's how it's supposed to be, but it turns out fantastic. But I mean, I will diamond paint it and you will be sure 100%. Oh my god, look at how many colors. I don't know, let me count how many, but look at that on this side and here. And again, it's only 30 by 40 centimeters. Wow, I'm impressed. So if I'm not mistaken, if I counted it correctly, it is 49 colors. 49 colors for a 50 or for a 30 by 40 centimeters kit. So the this is a square. Okay, I didn't even know if it was a square. I'm very happy that it is a square. This way I will know for sure if it has or it does not have the gapping issue. The only thing that I do not like already is that there are black grids, right? That the squares are, like they're traced in those black, they're traced in black. So if there is a gapping, those black lines would be visible. So hopefully there is not gapping. As far as I see, the symbol printing is pretty clear. This is a poured glue. The canvas is just a regular paper canvas or vinyl canvas, oilcloth, whatever it is, just regular AliExpress canvas. Not impressed with the canvas. The poured glue is great. I can forgive the quality of the canvas as long as the adhesive is a poured glue. This is very important. So, I mean, there is really nothing to see because, again, as I said, the canvas is not color related whatsoever. So, also, you see, I didn't know that actually they have a website, artmosfa.com. So maybe that's where I can purchase their designs, because there are some images that I really like very much, especially landscapes. So maybe I can purchase it from there. So what I would recommend you to do, guys, do not rush into purchasing it yet. Let me finish it, okay? And you will see how detailed it will turn out, if it's gonna be worth all that hype that is going on about this very company. Okay, it is not very big, although it is very confetti heavy, but hopefully I will complete it pretty soon. This way we will know. Now, let's look at the drills. Again, 30 by 40 centimeters, a full square diamond painting kit. The name is Lori in the Jungle. This is the original image, and that's how it's supposed to turn out. Those of you, yeah, colors, here is the colors. I didn't see that. 50, I miscounted it. Not 49, 50 colors for 30 by 40 centimeter kit. It is a lot, a lot. So let's see the drills now. The drills and the tool set comes in this plastic bag. That's how it is packaged, but I will unbox it. Or in comparison to the first time I was diamond painting it, I'm very happy at how they package their drills, because one of the reasons for my frustration was the packaging. The drills were packaged in really very small plastic bags. They were not attached to each other, and that kit was 60 by 40 centimeters and also had like 50 colors or something. And imagine, like, I don't know, like 70 bags not attached to each other, and I was gathering them together because the same color could go in like several bags. Oh my god, it was very frustrating. So let's see the drills. Okay, the tool set leaves much to be desired. I do not see any Ziploc bags in it, so a green wax, the tray, and the stylus, not even the hand gripper. By the way, I paid like $18 for this kit, and $3 shipping. So the colors are really very bright. The drills are super colorful. Um, all shades of pink and red, as far as I understand, as far as I see, a lot of shades of green. Um, Not sure if the drills of a good quality or not. Again, in my last time when I was diamond painting it, I was very happy with the result, but there were some colors uh, with lots of damaged drills, like, I don't know, 30% of the bag was damaged drills. So I spent more time looking for good quality drills than diamond painting that color. So hopefully they improved, because it was my almost first time diamond painting, and it was my first time diamond painting a big kit. Before diamond painting a MOSFA's kit, I had done like only two kits, and the one of them was partial, the other one was like 20 by 30 centimeters, and both were round drills. That one was my first big square drill diamond painting kit. So I was not very experienced back then. I didn't have anything to compare with. So that is why I want to try it now and see if my first impression was right or not. And again, it was in 2018 or 17, so I'm pretty sure that this company improved a lot of things, because that company just started. I just started, so of course they had a lot of room and time for improvement. And again, from what I saw in post reviews, just Google it. MOSFA completed kits. Their kits are terrific, and if you don't want to Google, just watch my video, what we are paying for. right, when purchasing designer generated kits. Look at that kit, 30 by 40 centimeters hedgehog. Oh my god, it's like heaven and earth, because um, I'm just showing a short video from one of Russian bloggers who diamond painted that kit. She diamond painted two similar kits. One is 50 by 40 centimeters a hedgehog. The other one is 30 by 40 from MOSFA. Even a bigger size did not save that hedgehog from another company from pixelation. And MOSFA's hedgehog looked so colorful. But I saw other diamond paintings. They were beautiful. And of course, this kit also comes with the instructions. So this is all for today. Before I turn it off, I want to show you my work in progress. This beautiful sun and moon from Diamond Dots. I love everything about it except of one thing, and I will elaborate on it, when I upload the post review. But this kit has lots of gapping actually. Not super critical, of course, not like Zui Star, for example, Zui Star. But of all the kits that I diamond painted, I mean diamond dots kits, square drill diamond dots kit, that one has the most gapping. I'm not sure why, but I love how it's turned out. As soon as I'm done with this one, I will start working on Lori in the jungle. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.